Did you know that management is not leadership? Yeah. According to leadership expert Dr. John C. Maxwell, managers are maintainers who tend to rely on systems and controls, while leaders are innovators and creators who tend to rely on people. You see, management focuses on behaviors like planning and organizing, administering, controlling, and even enforcing. Its focus is on the external behaviors, regardless of any kind of internal consensus or agreement. Leadership, on the other hand, flips that around, and their focus is more on the internal mechanisms that drive external behavior. It's the inside out focus that looks at inspiring and empowering, visioning, changing, and aligning people. This is why, for leaders that focus on identifying and communicating organizational mission, vision, and values, is so incredibly important. Unfortunately, most leadership training programs focus on developing people with the external managerial skills like planning and budgeting and organizing and controlling, which are fine. They're just not the more abstract leadership skills that are needed, like establishing direction, creating a vision, motivating and inspiring people, aligning people into high performing teams, or energizing and empowering people. You see, as a leader, you're no longer responsible for the results. You're actually responsible for the people who are responsible for the results. And that is a very different skill set. But learning this skill set is what is going to help you scale and multiply your influence in your organization. So if you would like help developing the leaders within your organization, reach out to me today for a complimentary consultation. Leadership is a journey, it's not a destination, and you don't have to journey alone.